Hi everyone, welcome to this brand new series where I will be covering the new NCERT mathematics textbook Maths Mela for Class 4. Today we will learn about prisms and pyramids from the chapter Shapes Around Us. So students stick around because maths is about to get a whole lot easier. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get started. Diksha wanted to go to a big city during her summer holidays. Her father took her to Delhi and they visited many old and new interesting monuments like the India Gate, Qutub Minar, Safdarjung Tomb, Akshardham, the National Museum, Jantar Mandir and Sansad Bhavan. Now, Diksha is trying to make a model of India Gate using her wooden blocks. We can see Diksha is sitting there with some solid shapes like cube, cuboid, cylinder, hemisphere, etc. Now try to make a model of the building shown here using blocks. Here first one given is Charminar, second one is a hut. What part of the building have you shown in your model? In your model also you will be highlighting the roof, the pillars, the base, etc. Even walls also you can highlight. Why did you select these parts? Because they are the prominent or important parts of the building, of the real building. What shape will model these parts well? If you are selecting a hut, the top roof is a cone and the base that is a cylinder. How is your model similar to the picture of the real building? They are similar in shape. Almost is same. Similar in shape. How is it different from the real building? Your model will be a miniature of the real building. So it is differ in its size. Here in this picture, this boy is holding a model in his hand. Does it look like a Qutub Minar? No, it doesn't look like a Qutub Minar. So answer is no. What shape would you use if you made a model of the Qutub Minar? We will use cylinder. Why? Because it is more similar in shape. Do you know the Qutub Minar is a World Heritage Site and the tallest building made up of bricks. It has 5 stories and 379 stairs. So how many such shapes will you use to make a Qutub Minar? The answer is 5. It is given here. It has 5 stories. Earlier people made buildings with the clay, bricks, stone, blocks or wood. Today we also use concrete blocks, hollow blocks, etc. What is common to all of these bricks? All these bricks are similar in shape. All are cuboids. Cuboids. Here we have some prisms and pyramids. Have a look at these prisms. How many prisms are given? Three prisms are given. First one is triangular prism, second one square prism, third one hexagonal prism. The name of the prism is based on the shape of its base. This is called a base. It is triangular shape and the opposite face is also in triangular shape. So triangular face it has two and it has some side faces also. How many side faces will be there? The number of side faces is depends on the number of edges in the base. Here base is having 3 edges, so side faces will be 3. So total it will be having 5 faces. Same way, consider the square prism. Here the base is in square shape and the opposite face is also in square shape. So two square faces are there and some sides faces are also there. How many side faces? That depends on the number of edges in the base. Here we have 4 edges. So 4 side faces will be there. Total 6 faces it has. Consider the hexagonal prism. Base is a hexagon, one base and opposite face also in hexagonal shape. So 2 faces are already there. And side faces. How many side faces will be there? Base is having 6 edges. So side faces will be 6. Total 2 plus 6, 8 faces are there. What shape of face is common to all the prisms? What face is common to all the prisms? That is rectangle. If you observe, we can see all the side faces are rectangular shape. What other shape do these prisms have? Those are the bases and its opposite side. So first one we have seen, first one is a triangular prism. So triangle. Second one is a square prism. Base is square shape. And third one hexagon. Hexagon. Now, how many such faces each? So we have calculated already. First one is having 5. Triangular prism is having 5. Square prism is having 6. And third one hexagonal prism is having 8. Now come to pyramids. Here also the name is based on the shape of the base. Triangular pyramid means the base is triangular shape. Pentagonal pyramid means the base is a pentagon and square pyramid means the base is in square shape. What shape of face is common to all the pyramids? Here pyramid, here it is a triangle. Here also we can see side faces are triangular shape. So what shape of face is common to all the pyramids? That is triangle. All the triangular faces meet at a common point. Look at the picture. We can see all the triangular faces are meeting here at a common point. Identify any other shape in each of the pyramids. Yes, the base. First one is triangle. First one is triangle. Second one, pentagon. This one, the base is pentagon. And here, the base is square. Is a cube also a prism? Yes. A cube is also a prism. It's a special type of prism. All faces are square shape. What is the difference between a prism and a pyramid? A prism has two identical faces, base and bottom are identical shape, and flat faces. But a pyramid has one base and flat faces that meet at a point that we have seen here in the picture. Now try to make the above shapes using straws and plasticine thread and fill in the table. Shape, first one is cube or square prism. Number of faces, how many faces it has? It has 6 faces. Number of corners are 8. We know 8 corners. Number of edges, it has 12. Cuboid or a rectangular prism is also having 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Triangular pyramid is having 4 faces, 4 corners and 6 edges. Square pyramid is having 5 faces, 5 corners and 8 edges. Triangular prism is having 5 faces, 6 corners and 9 edges. Now have a look at these figures. Number of faces, number of vertices and number of edges. And try to find out number of faces plus number of vertices minus number of edges in each case. Here first one F plus V minus E. Let us calculate. 6 plus 8, 14 minus 12 we are getting 2. 6 plus 8, 14 minus 12 it is also 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 9 is also 2. This is known as Euler's formula. Euler's formula for a 3D shape, number of faces plus number of vertices minus number of edges is 2. In each case, we can see we are getting 2. So this is a constant in each of these cases. Now sort the 3D shapes by the number of flat faces. Write their names here. Number of flat faces, one flat face. Which solid is having one flat face? That is cone. Two flat faces means we know that is cylinder. Top and base are identical. Cylinder, two flat faces. Four flat faces, that is triangular. Triangular pyramid. Five flat faces, that is square pyramid. Square pyramid. Six flat faces, even cube and cuboid. Cube, both are having six flat faces, cuboid. Eight flat faces, that is hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism is having eight flat faces. Now, can you construct a 3D shape with the three flat faces? That is not possible. We cannot make it with the three flat faces. Sort 3D shapes by the number of straight edges. Write their names here. Number of edges and name of the shape. Six straight edges. Which 3D is having six straight edges? That is triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Eight straight edges. Square pyramid and rectangular pyramid. Square pyramid and even in rectangular pyramid also. Nine straight edges. Nine straight is in triangular prism. Triangular prism is having nine straight edges. 12 straight edges, that is cube and cuboid. Cube both are having 12 straight edges. Take a die. Look at the faces that has number 1. The face number 6 is opposite to the face number 1. Here children, there is a trick. Face number 1 and opposite face is 6. What is the sum of 1 and 6? It is 7. So one face plus its opposite face together, the sum will be always 7. So easy to answer the remaining questions. What is the face opposite to the face number 2? 2 plus which number gives 7? 2 plus 5. Opposite is 5. Face number 3. 3 plus 4 gives 7. So opposite is 4. Face number 4. 4 plus 3 gives 7. So opposite of 4 is 3. Which faces have common edges with the face number 1? Number 1 is sharing common edge with 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite face do not share a common edge. So which face has no common edge with the face number 1? One's opposite face is 6. So they do not have a common edge. Look at the three different views of the same cube. What color is the face that is opposite to the red face? Here six faces and six colors are given. First one orange, second one we can see red face and green also is visible. Then purple is visible, blue and yellow. Six faces and six colors. We have to find out the color opposite to the red face. This face opposite. What color comes here this side? So it cannot be orange because they are sharing a common edge. And red, come to this picture. Red is sharing an edge with yellow. Red is sharing an edge with blue. And here in the first picture, it is sharing an edge with the green. So orange cannot be, green cannot be, and blue cannot be, and yellow cannot be. Which one is left out? Purple. So which color will be in the opposite side of red? That will be purple. What color is the face that is opposite to the yellow face? To calculate this one more cube is required. The given data is incomplete. So with this given data, it can be orange or it can be green. Now follow these instructions for the shapes along the border. Color all the shapes with a rectangular face in red. Rectangular face. Search for the rectangular faces here. Let us start from here. This one, eraser. It has a rectangular face. It do not have this. It does not have this. Here also no rectangular faces. No rectangular face. Come down. Come down here. One more eraser we can see here. It's having a rectangular face here. And this picture is also having rectangular. And the gift box, there we can see a rectangular box. Rectangular face here in the gift box. Then yeah, that's all with a rectangular face. Draw a smiley on shapes with a triangular face. Search for triangular faces. Here we have the triangular faces. So we have to draw the smiley there. Then here we have triangular face. We can draw the smiley. Here this is not a cone. Here then triangular faces. Here we have a triangular face. And here this is the base. Here triangular face is here. This one is having triangular face. Here also triangular face is there. Draw a star on shape with a curved face. Here from the cone, this is a curved face. It has there. What we have to do? We have to draw a star. Draw a star. And here a star. Here again birthday cap. Here this is having, and even cylinder also having a curved face. One more cylinder we can see. This one is also one more bowl is there. One can is there with a curved face. Color all shapes with no corner in blue. That is the bowl. Color it with the blue. And one more bowl is here blue. One more is there. That also we have to color with the blue. Color all the shapes with no corners in blue. Circle the shape that have the same opposite faces. Circle. So here we have a cube. Here cylinder can. Here eraser is having same opposite face. Same opposite face. This cylinder is having. This one is having same opposite. This birthday box, gift box, that is having same this one. And this cylinder is also having, and this cube is having same opposite face. So let us conclude this here. Remaining portion we will be continuing in the next class. Thanks for watching, children. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.